Hello everyone, this is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel. Today I am discussing about in Adobe Photoshop session 1 I am starting. In Adobe Photoshop session 1 I am starting. In this session 1 to learn C, Java and other languages, please subscribe my channel. Adobe Photoshop is Adobe Photoshop is the desktop application. Adobe Photoshop is the desktop application. Adobe Photoshop using which we can develop Adobe Photoshop using which we can develop visiting cards and ID cards. And visiting cards, Adobe Photoshop using which we can develop visiting cards, ID cards, pamphlets, flexes, and using Adobe Photoshop we can edit, we can do editing on photos. Using Adobe Photoshop we can do editing on Photoshop photos. Content of Adobe Photoshop. Content of Adobe Photoshop. 1. Title bar, menu bar, option bar. 4. Toolbox. Title bar, menu bar, option bar, toolbox. 5th. Layers palette, color palette. Title bar, menu bar, options bar, toolbox, layers palette, color palette. Content of Adobe Photoshop software. Adobe Photoshop is the desktop application using which we can develop ID cards, visiting cards, flexes. This is Adobe Photoshop software. It is Adobe Photoshop is there. It is title bar. Second one, it is menu bar. Inside menu windows, it is options bar. If you need any colors palette, layers palette, toolbox, you can click here. Okay, I need colors palette. I clicked here. I want layers palette. Here it is. I want layers palette. I clicked here. Okay, Adobe Photoshop is there now. Title bar, file, edit, image, layer, select file. This is menu bar. Menu bar contain options bar. Okay, to learn C, Java, SQL, Adobe Photoshop, HTML, CSS, please subscribe my channel. Content of Adobe Photoshop is title bar, menu bar, options bar, toolbox, layers palette, color palette. DTP operators take measurements using scale. DTP operators take measurements using scale. DTP operator take measurements using scale. Centimeters, 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter. In centimeters, 10 mm equal to 1 centimeter, or 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm. DTP operator mostly they are work in millimeters or inches. DTP operators mostly they are work in millimeters or inches. Okay, I will show one sample. File, new. To take a new file, file, new, width, custom, width, height, resolution is there, name, preset size, content, white, background color, transparent. Okay, I have taken width 6, height 5. Mostly DTP operators is take millimeters or in inches. Okay, resolution 72. Mode RGB color, red, green, blue color. RGB means stands for red, green, blue color. Width I want 6, height I want 5. That means 6 by 5. Okay. DTP operators mostly they are work in millimeters or inches. For printing purpose, for web pages designing purpose, take resolution 72. For printing purpose, take resolution 300. For printing purpose, take resolution 300. For flex designing, customer will ask 4 by 3, 6 by 3. For flex designing, customer will ask 4 by 3, 6 by 3, 4 by 3. Suppose 4 by 3, 4 width and 3 height. In 4x3, 4 width, 3 height. We should calculate before designing a flex. In feet, flex is taken in feet. Feet converts into inches and take 1 feet equal to 12 inches. Feet convert into inches. 1 feet equal to 12 inches. 4 into 3 means 4 into 12 inches width. 3 into 12 inches height. We should take like this: 4 into 12 inches width and 3 into 12 inches height. Okay, new file mode is there. Bitmap, grayscale, RGB color, CMYK color, lab color. Okay, I am taking file as RGB color. Okay, I have taken already. To learn C, Java and other languages like SQL, HTML, please subscribe my channel. Internet is very slow. Before that, take some notes. In new file, mode options. 1. Bitmap. 2. Grayscale. 3. RGB color. 4. CMYK. We mostly used RGB and CMYK colors only. Grayscale, it is like black and white. To convert color photo into black and white, we should take grayscale. RGB, red, green, blue color file. CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow. K means black format. Okay. New file mode options are bitmap, grayscale, RGB, CMYK. RGB is used for printing web pages. CMYK is used for printing multi colors. CMYK is used for printing multi colors like flex. Okay, now I will tell one sample. I taken grayscale mode one file. Okay, I taken one red map file, RGB file and grayscale file. No, hello file, sorry. Go to file, sorry, go to file, click on open, select one image from file. I'm selecting one image. Got, I dragged into this file using move tool. Move tool is used to move from one file to another file. Okay, see now it's showing in black and white color, no? Okay, please like, share, subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you very much.